Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Klaiyi and welcome to my channel. You guys already know, you click the link, you see what it is. It's really cute 16-inch 13x6 front lace, deep braid hair. Like, come on, it's really cute. This burgundy color is really cute. I love burgundy, is my favorite color. Well, red is my favorite color, but of course burgundy's in the red family, so I digress. But this hair is really cute. It's by Klaiyi. I think so. Klaiyi. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I'm messing it up. I really am. But yeah, this hair is really cute. So let me show you how I installed this cute hair. So I will be reviewing Klaiyi. I think that's how you say it. But I'll be reviewing their hair. I'm really excited to be doing this one because look at it, doing red today. I'm so excited. So this is a 13x4 translucent lace. I believe, yes, it's a 16-inch. So it's my first time doing 16 inches. Let me show you what's inside the box. It comes with a wig cap, or 2 wig caps. Oh my goodness. I think this is this a bonnet? I'm gonna open it up. Oh my goodness. Come here, bro. You know what? 1 second. Had to try it on one time. It actually fits my hair pretty good, but it's kind of small, so almost like it would just be for your hair, not with the wig inside your hair. Elastic band for your lace to lay it down. I will be using it, and oh my goodness, is this what I put this around? Oh my god, y'all, they gave me a robe. Oh, look at this robe. But you know, I for sure gotta iron it or steam it. I like this. It's nice. I feel like I ain't got no robes, like, but I really appreciate that. They sent me this robe. That was really sweet. So let's get into this wig. Like, look at that lace. And it comes with baby hairs. And you know, I'm still working on trying to, you know, do these baby hairs. So we gonna try till we succeed. Okay. And let's get in the inside. Of course, comes with elastic and it combs and adjustable band. Put some makeup on inside of the lace. Lord, and this is what I don't do. Freak. disgusting conversation is so boring. Heard about when I
I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man. Conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy?
This came out really, really cute. I really like how I had to cut it a little bit just to, you know, even it out because it wasn't as even. It was still, you know, a little long length that was longer. So I just cut it a little bit. And it looks really cute. Like the curls are really defined. And that's what I really like about it. It's like, okay. Yes, it is giving. I love this color. This color is just so bomb. It's like a plum, but it's burgundy. It's like 99 J, I believe. It's truly giving what it needs to give. So I had to put a little wax on it and a little mousse, but it really came out really cute. I really like it. It looks like it could be my hair. Layer it a little bit, but other than that, I really like it. It's really soft. The curls are truly defined. I like it. This is really, really cute. So I'm trying to do side part. I'm curious. Like, I kind of like the side part better than the middle part. Which I'll do. This middle part, the side part for sure, is giving a lot more than the middle part. So I'm fluffing this out a bit. Give it more volume. So I like it better with some volume instead of, you know, this is giving a lot more. I like this way better. Which one? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe to my future videos. Bye.
Release your anger, release your eye, release your job, release the time.